I'm just doing a update on gold into the new month. Gold's under pressure at the moment. We pointed out most of last week that we've been trapped in a range for the last little bit, and it's a tricky place to be trading gold in the short term. Now we've made a new monthly low already today. We did make these observations during the videos last week where we said that both the last month's midpoint and last quarter's midpoint were moving above price on a daily basis. So you do have weight on top of gold now from the higher time frames, acting as a weight to the downside. The other thing to note now also is that we're trading under last quarter's close, and we're trading under last month's close. And in fact, we had a lower monthly close last month. So in the short term, when we look at gold right now, it is bearish. If we now put in our support and resistance on a closing basis, okay, so we've got short-term support here at 1227.8. If we see a daily close under that, we can expect gold to come down and test 1214.2. Our weekly close under 1214.2 is going to open up this area down here, 1152. It's got a little bit of work to do along the way around this 1199, 1190 area. If we add in our qualified support and resistance, you'll see a couple other areas open up right here. 1189 to 1199 gold has a bit of work to do to get through there. However, let's just see one day at a time. We've still not had any daily buy or sell signals to act on out of this trap zone. So we're not doing anything as yet until we do get something more definitive. Like perhaps we get a continuation sell appearing that will encourage us to get short. On the upside, we've got this falling monthly level here that's now acting as a key resistance at 1269.5, and really a monthly close above this 1278 zone would mean higher for gold as of today. If we remove these support and resistances and we have a look at range relativity across time, this often gives some really good insights into what is going on with gold. And what we can say at the moment is that gold still is in a situation where this quarterly upper bullish pivot is above this annual pivot here. And when that happens, it creates downside slingshot energy, or the opportunity for the market to move lower. That's certainly what appears to be happening. That concept can happen at each time frame. So for instance, here, these little white dots, that's where this lower weekly bearish pivot moved outside the monthly pivot, creating this slingshot energy to the upside. And similarly here, the weekly upper bullish pivot in yellow moved above the weekly upper monthly pivot, creating the slingshot energy down. That concept is relative to every time frame. So at the highest time frame, there's slingshot energy going down for gold at the moment at the quarterly time frame. So it could be quite a nasty move down if gold can't turn around and take out these highs, which it failed to do last month. So it does look like it's got weight on it, gold at the moment. In terms of like short-term support and resistance, today, any failure at 1247.7 would be an excellent place to enter from the short side. Similarly, you'll have initial support here at 1229.5, and I note that we also had that weekly closing support around where was it? 1227.8. So you've got a double weekly zone there. That should provide an initial bounce in the short term. Should that fail through there, next levels are all the way down here at 1205. With a retest of that low there at 1214 along the way. So looking to get short gold if the opportunity comes. And to the upside, really a close above this 1256.2 on a daily basis is probably going to be enough for me to say, well, okay, that move down is over. So hope that helps. I'll chat to you tomorrow.